Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file for divorce yourself. First, you'll need to understand your state's specific residency requirements. This is a crucial initial step before proceeding with any paperwork. Next, gather all necessary financial and personal documents, like bank statements and tax returns. Finally, determine if your divorce will be contested or uncontested, as this impacts the forms you'll use. Once you have the correct forms, carefully fill out each one, ensuring all information is accurate and complete. Pay close attention to financial disclosures, documenting everything thoroughly. Before submitting, make several copies of all your completed documents for your records. Then, take your original forms to the appropriate court clerk to officially file them. After filing, you must legally notify your spouse by arranging for proper service of process. This ensures they receive the divorce papers according to court rules. Your spouse will then have a specific time frame, often 30 days, to respond. Be prepared to attend any scheduled court hearings or mediation sessions that may be required as the case progresses. The next step involves negotiating a fair settlement agreement with your spouse, covering assets, debts, and child matters. Once an agreement is reached, you'll present it to the court for approval. Finally, you'll attend a brief hearing where a judge will review your case and issue the official divorce decree. Ensure all court orders are properly recorded for your future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.